Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see the starting point of the TestNG. Okay, as you think the starting point of the TestNG is not a test, then where does the TestNG starts? Let's explore. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see where does this TestNG actually starts its execution. Okay, so normally everyone thinks that the TestNG starts with a test annotation. Okay, let's execute this alternate test annotation and check out like whether it starts from here or not. It printed test, so it just starts here. Okay, in this class we do not have a main method. Okay, so instead of a main method we have a test method, so all the test starts with a test. But what if there is a before method annotation? Now we got before method annotation. Okay, let's execute. Which one gets executed first? See, it executes before method first and test method next. Okay, so can we say that the test engine starts its execution with before method? No, we cannot say it, because what if there is a annotation for before class? Let's add a before class annotation and check whether is it a starting point of test engine or not. Now we got a before class method as well. Let's execute it whether where does the execution of TestNG starts. See, it executed before class, then before method, and then test method. So can I say that the TestNG starts its execution at before class? No, TestNG doesn't start at before class as well, because if there is a before shoot or before test, okay, then the execution starts from before test. If we have only before test, before class, and before method, then the execution starts with before test. But if we have a before shoot, then the execution starts with before shoot. Okay, but this none of these are the starting points. Then which one is the starting point of TestNG? Which one? Let me show you that. Where does this TestNG starts? Okay, so I hope you have added a TestNG library to your Eclipse project. Okay, if you have added, then you will see this kind of a library. Okay, here. So this is basically a jar file we have added. So it gives another 3 jar file. In this one, open org.testng underscore 6 point the version. Okay, so we will get a package inside the jar file. Now open org.testng here, this one. Now we have multiple classes. Now look for testng dot class. It will be in the bottom here. Yeah. See, here we have a testng dot class. Now open it. See, if you see this particular class, we have a method called main method. Okay. So this is the starting point of testng. Okay. So in core Java, no class or nothing can start without a main method. So everything starts from main method only. Maybe you may not be able to see the main method, but there will be main method, and core Java starts from main method only. Even if you use testng or JUnit or any other unit testing framework, the execution always starts with main method only. Okay, see, if you still have a doubt, you can see it here. The description of the method is the TestNG entry point for command line execution. So basically, this is the execution point where the TestNG starts. Okay, guys, that is this tutorial. If you liked our video, please subscribe and press that bell guy. Thank you.